Hello, welcome to More Sound, and today we are reviewing the Sony AM/FM clock radio, model number ICF-C211. First thing we're going to test is the radio. It seems to sound pretty good for a device of this type. Sleep works. Next thing we're going to test is the alarm clock. It should be going off any minute. And silence. That's the end of our review of the Sony AM/FM clock radio, model number ICF-C211. Thank you for shopping at More Sound. I hope you continue to shop at More Sound for years to come. Goodbye.